Okay, hello guys, Njani. So in this tutorial ngaba based go CRUD what is it? Go CRUD term. So basically a friend of mine requested a video asking what's in the tutorials in terms of let's say SQL interact kanjani the database. So they are looking forward in knowing how to delete data in a database, how to insert, update, things like that. So if you are doing SQL at school, but then you can't really understand it, I would recommend that you watch a video before linking in the description below, and yeah, tofaka Swati, tofaka English, just good see majority cannot understand. So in this video there's something much, but then I'm gonna focus on bullet template. So basically whenever we are interacting with a database, we are focusing on this term a CRUD. So the C stands for create, and if C says in a SQL term, we are actually inserting data. When we say create, we are actually inserting data, and when we are saying we read data, actually it's actually selecting data. And njengoba ubona vele lamagama ayahambiselana, we cannot read i-data lesingakayi-insert. So first of all, database kumele sifake something which is inserting. And then whenever we come to you already know it's update. Even go SQL vele kuba update, there is nothing that has changed, it's update. And then whenever we come to the D, you've guessed it, it's delete. But then go SQL 70 let's say drop. So okay, we are not saying inserting, but then we say insert, and then we say select, update, and drop. So this is what we perform with database. It doesn't matter what kind of a database it is, but this is the functionalities that we do in a database. We create data, we insert data, we select data. It's the same thing whenever you are new to Facebook. You create an account, which is inserting data. And then whenever you log in, actually you are reading data, because after logging in, it will show you your name at the top, your profile picture. It is actually selecting your data from your database. And this update is basically whenever you are adding new data, or you are changing your name to something else, your age, you say things like that. But yeah, delete, it's straightforward. You are deleting data from the database. So yeah, so ngiyayikhathala le video le nayidinga ngifuna understand, because basically masisebenzisa i-SQL sisuke sifuna kwenda le 4 functionalities le ku database. So ngifuna kuyenda ibe short ukuze ungabe uyabhoreka mayitsa kakhulu. So ngiyayikhatha lena bese ngiyaqhubeka something else. Okay. Okay, here is the video.